Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the employee salary calculation system using Java. So you can see the demo. So employee name I am going to type as John. Hourly hour I am going to type it as 50. Hourly rate I am going to put it as 20. Right. If you calculate, you will be able to get the gross wage. Okay, so here this is the not a ordinary program. This is some addition. This is some advanced program. When you doing the payroll system, you have to calculate the employee working hours based on the working rate as well. Here I clearly mentioned 40 hours per week. If the work hour is more than 40 hours, we have a condition. So let's go to the our program. So here this is the program. Initialize the employee number, comma employee work hours work and hours rate to calculate the gross wage using the following condition. If the employee works more than 40 hours, so here if the employee works more than 40 hours, the normally the company rule will be only the 40 hours per week employee should work. If the employee works more than 40 hours, which is a OT time, okay, so then he will be paid the hours work over 40 hours at the rate of 2 times. Okay, this is paid as a normal rate than 2 times. Okay, so others get normal rate. If the employee work as below 40, they getting as a normal payment. Those who work more than 40 hours, they will be get the double as you pay the hourly rate. If the hourly rate they pay 20, it will be get double. So how to do the program? So first I'm going to go to the file, new project. I'm going to select Java and application. Next, if it is create main class, uncheck it. I'm going to employee payroll. This kind of a payroll system. Okay, the most of the payrolls are having this functionality. Okay, so now let's go into here. I'm going to program. I'm going to here type this as an employee payroll. Finish off it. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply drag it on it. Right click properties. Background I'm going to put it this one. Drag one label. Here this label I'm going to put here as employee salary. Otherwise employee wage calculation. Wage or employee salary calculation. That's employee salary payroll. Right click properties. I'm going to change the font size little bit bigger, so let's put as 36. Okay, it would be enough for us. I need to change the color as foreground color. I have to make it as white. Close it. Bring to, you put it like this. After that, what I'm going to drag one label. This label I'm going to put it here. Employee name. After that, this one employee name. Right click properties. Bold 18. Copy and paste it below. This one should be the hourly hour rate. Hour work. So hour work. Hourly work. Hourly work hours. Hourly work hour. Work hours. Work hours. Work hours. You can write hourly work hours. After that, rate. After that, we have get another one is a control C to copy, control V, this is a gross wage. We have to drag the text fields. Edit backspace to remove the X's instead. We have to create this one as a 14 with bold. This one change variable txt name. Control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be txt hours. This one should control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one control txt rate. Copy, control V. This one should be the gross wage. Okay, now here I am going to, what I am going to do is, here I am going to do the, I need one text field. In order to calculate the wage, I need a text field. This one would be the calculate, calpay button. Okay, simply you have to put one button. Simple form design. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this event action perform. Now we have to go to based on the condition. First we have to create the data type double. You have to write it here h rate, one variable, another variable I'm going to create h hours, h rate, h working hours. Okay, h rate, h work. After that another variable gross wage, g wage. First what I'm going to do is, what is the work hours you are entered and rate you are entered, I want to assign to set these variables. So how to set, get this text variable name over here, you have to write double dot pass in, write it double dot pass in, pass double dot implement h rate dot, sorry, txt h, what is the thing have I did it here, change variable h hours. What's the name you are given over here, this name you are given h hours dot get text. So here you get hours. Okay, so here this one I'm going to, what is the text you are, what is the value you are typing it to assign to this variable. After that I'm going to get this variable h work, this one, h rate, get this variable, you have to equal into the same thing, copy this and paste it over here. Only this one, this rate, okay, this text field, change variable, get this variable name. Okay, so the variable name we have to put it over here. After that, what's the value you are type these two text field, it is assigned to this variable. So after that I'm going to make the calculation. So how to make the calculation? Before make the calculation we have to make the condition. If the work time more than 40,
more than 50, we have to calculate the gross wage. This gross wage equal, so the working hour, working rate, I'll be explained, don't worry, working rate, hourly rate. So gross wage, this variable equal hour rate. So what is the hour? This is the hour. What is the hour you are gave here? So what is the normal company provided 40 hours? So your hourly work, if you are work as a 50 hours per week, so we have to minus it from the your regular work hours. Your regular work hours will be 40. So if you are additionally work 10 hours, your weekly work hours should be 40, but you have worked 50 hours, so additionally you work 10 hours. So it the things the salary will be double, so that times what we have to pay 2 times. So we have to work as 2 at the normal rate. The normal rate. As a rate you are given 2 normal rate. Okay, the rate the salary should be double. At the now how many work hours you are working, the salary should be double here. After that, plus your normal rate salary. Your normal rate salary. This is not your normal salary. Normal salary means your regular salary will be, your hours will be 40 hours, your regular rate here. This is the additional part. Okay, this if it is, if you are writing, you imagine you have a OT period. You are working more than 10 hours. Your normal weekly period is 40 hours, but you are working as a 10 hours extra. So how will be calculated? This is how calculated. OT calculation. Okay. So if those are not working below 40, you have to get the working hour as gross wage equal get work. You have to for this one. This is a normal rate. That's it. That's the thing. You have to write it. After that, how to get it here? So this is the variable. This is the textbook you have to print down. Dot set tags. Set tags. Here we have to write it here. So this is a double. So double dot to string. You have to write it this gross wage. Now you have to get the output here. So this is one not a good software, so you write its properties, you make it as center. After that, this is not to look and feel of the application. Select this one, source, Control F, you get it. This one, find box, you type UI design, you can change it as metal. Then you have to do it as yes, this is the actual look and feel of Java application. John is the employee name. Hourly rate is I'm going to work 50 hours. Rate 20. Click here. This is one should be display successful. Okay. So before do the program, first you have to check like this. Normally you have to in your computer mathematics, you have to calculate this one. It will be working as we expected. Okay. If the calculation is taken mistake, everything getting mistake. So you have to calculate it here. It's working here. Now it's working successfully here. The gross wage, it will be calculated. Okay, if it is a 35, if it is a 40, here it will get successful. So if it is if the employee those are working below 30, what happened here? It's 800 calculated. Okay, first you have to make the documentation. This is very must. How to make this system? Okay, very must. Okay. Don't get it this one. This all the things I code. I'll be attached my video description. You can go to my particular website and you can do it. Thank you for watching.